Hey, Chief Tony, what can I do for you?
I have a prime suspect named Julio Rodriguez who apparently murdered Shadi and Bruno.
Are you serious right now, bro? I heard he was the cartel boss.
Yes, and it's your guys' mission to find him.
So, Chief Tony, where do you think we should start trying to find him?
Start at Westlake High School, that's where the murder happened. Now scram!
Looks like this is gonna be an easy one.
Yeah, I think so too.
You're getting a call. Hello.
Oh, it's Chief Tony.
See what he has to say.
Hello?
Lay the case now.
What? Why?
Trust me, it's not a good idea.
Chief, a man was killed. You need to shut up and let me do my job. I'm not taking no for an answer.
Think we found something good here, Magic.
This is a lot of money.
Yeah, I know.
It's Julio!
Give me my money back now!
Shut up!
You're dead!
No, Joy!
You're dead next.